That is one apple seedling which I had chip budded on 28th of June, about 4.5 weeks back, with 9 different varieties. At the bottom, that is Baker's Delicious. That has come out with a nice growth. Next to it, that's Kids Orange Red. That has grown. The third one, which is this small one, that is a Pitmaster Pineapple. That has grown. On top of that, that was budded with May Queen variety, which hasn't grown. Just above that, that is Ashmead Kernel. It has grown. Looking at all those buds which haven't grown, if we look closely, the buds have healed. They have been successful. The only one reason which I can think of, that its top bud has been broken. That might be one reason, but the others, as far as budding is concerned, it has healed, and I'm not sure either they have dried completely or not. Either they will grow or not. The only one thing which I need to do is cut the top of it so that the energy which is being diverted towards the growth of the rootstock, it will cease, and if there is any chance of growth, if any of these buds, if any one of them is alive, then it has slightly better chances of growth. So at least out of those 9 buds, 4 have grown successfully. Although all 9, as far as budding is concerned, the buds have healed. They are still, sticking well. Nothing has come off, but they haven't grown. So I'll give them another 4-6 weeks to see if anything is alive or not. If any bud is alive, it should come out, and it will come out. So keeping in mind that all those scions which were cut in the month of February were grown at the end of 28th of June, so that is quite a long period in between. So I'm quite satisfied with the result, but that is not final. Maybe any one of these buds might grow. Bring something just to seal the top of it with any sealant that will keep it from drying. That's the only thing at this moment which I can do. Thanks for watching.